I'm Dr. Laura Johnson from Yellowbrick Physical Therapy in Boulder, Colorado. I want to show you a bridge exercise you can do with a looped band to add resistance. So you place the band above your knee joint. You never want to have it around your joint. So above your knees, and you're going to lay down and take your feet about hip width apart, wider towards the edge of the mat. Will make it a little bit harder. Let's start just lined up. It's a better position for your knees to begin with. So press out against the band to keep a tension on it. And from here, with your feet back far enough, as far back as you can, make your heels. Press up through your heels, keeping the tension on the band as you do this bridge. So you're gonna press through your heels primarily, lifting up, using your glutes on your bottom, and keeping tension on the band. Keep some activation of your abdominals here. And if it feels totally fine, you can do about 3 sets of 10, where you take a break between each 10, or 2 sets of 15. Another good exercise while you're here is to go out and in with a lot of control. So control your abdominals here. Out and in, out. Control that motion. And in, out, and in. With either of these, if you have any pain or doubt, be sure to stop. And let me know if you have questions. You can comment below, or you can call or contact me.